Custom fields versus custom values. I'm going to try to explain to you the difference because it's the biggest confusion out there when you're getting started. But they also are super helpful if you are building out funnels, if you are using forms, and you are collecting information from your clients, and you want to be able to really segment what you're saying in your messaging, as well as when you have people fill out forms. Let's start up with the custom fields. Over here on the left hand side, if you're on a contact, all of these boxes here are custom fields. So like for instance, if you're creating a form, these are like basic information in the contact that's just automatically in here, but you could actually create specific fields and questions in the form that will all be right there on the left hand side. Like, so when I create a form that says, how did you find me? And I have a drop down menu in that form, the answers are all going to show up here on the left hand side. So every form, if I have a folder for each custom field, I'm going to be careful what I say, custom field, it'll all show up in these forms. I don't have any thing in there. I have a folder there, but I have a drop down with the address, a drop down with the dish, anything that goes into these folder categories will show, the answers will show up with those questions. So I was actually just in here like cleaning up some things. I have too many custom fields and I'm like, I don't need it. These are going into different forms and things like that. So I'm going to clean this up. But the difference, again, I would consider all of the fields as stuff that you're asking questions about, getting intakes from a form. Now, custom values are actually information that you can create. So these are merge fields that are just usually the automatic ones that you use, like your contact name, first name, last name, and these are like default information that's pulled in that you're going to use. So a lot of times I go into this list to see like maybe I want to actually put an appointment time in the emails or text messaging, or I want to search by certain fields. I think I'm actually going over here into this support list to see, what is that custom value for the year? Like if I'm doing a website and I want to put the year, so I never have to change that year ever again on a website, I can grab this code. It's a custom value, but it's actually a specific value to the year, and it'll always update. So if I put this code on a website or in an email, it'll always update. But now you can create custom values of these types of fields inside of GoHighLevel. So like if I wanted to change a date, for instance, I started doing this when we were doing challenges with my clients. So I go to settings and go to custom values over here, and you could create a specific custom value for your email, for instance, or a specific email. Maybe you want to change this, right? So maybe you want to put a deadline in here. These are some other ones for things that I want to probably clean up that I'm not using anymore. But let's see, for example, like if I did a date, like let's say challenge date, and I want to put it in for December. Today's the 13th. Let's just say a random date. You just put a value there. Anywhere that I put the code that it's going to give me here in a minute. Let's go to the end. Where did I put it? Challenge. I have too many in here. I need to clean it up. So now I created a custom value here with the word challenge, date, and all of this code, right? So I can copy this and put this anywhere. And wherever I put this code, whether it's on an email or a website, this date is going to be on there. And if I want to change that anytime, I don't have to go and find what email or what website I put it on. I can actually come in here and just change the date or whatever value you're going to put in there. It doesn't have to be a date. It could be a word. It could be a headline. It could be a sub-headline, and you put that in the website. Or maybe it's like bullet points about your event or your challenge or something that you are going to change pretty frequently, or not frequently, like at any time, but you don't want to have to, or in several places. Maybe I have this word or this date in several places in a contract. You can also do that too. So that's when I found out about custom values. I was like, oh my God, it's so awesome. But custom fields is also something great that you need to know. But I wanted to share with you the difference. So these are the default merge fields that are system-wide, but custom value fields are amazing. I also have another video I want to share with you is using the custom fields, but also creating like a opportunity field where you can update the information on the opportunity cards in the sales pipelines. So if you're interested in that, make sure to comment below too, and or keep making sure to like and subscribe so you can see the next video. All right. Thanks for watching this video. Much love and aloha.